Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lawn Dark. I did some off-camera stuff here. Surprisingly, I survived for about 1 day, 6 hours and 33 minutes. But that was me just shutting up and just focusing. So yeah, I might not be talking a lot. Extraordinary people survive under the most terrible circumstance, and they become more extraordinary because of it. Robertson Davis. Very wise. And we are back in the lodge. And I'm still whoa, this is new. This is new. I have no idea where I am. But I am not gonna complain. I am loving this right now. We got some good stuff here. What do we got in here? You are empty. That's nice. And the stove. I see you back there. Rifle round. I have no idea where I am. This is completely new to me. Yeah, I lasted that long, and unfortunately for me, I did not. I just
Hope
died
nobody needs
because
this anymore.
I died because I drank bad water. I had no choice. I was running out of water. I had to drink something. The fact that coffee helps it. But I still died. Got a gun in here somewhere? No. Well, let's not forget that. Anything in here? Granola bar are actually quite good. Okay, other than that, we've got nothing else, I don't think, other than here. Some soda. That's it. Yeah, it doesn't look like we got anything. Let's see what's on the outside. Because I don't know where this is, actually. I've never entered this place. The outdoors. Whoa. Trapped homestead. This is completely new to me. I've never seen this before. I don't what I'm confused. Where is this place? Oh well, I ain't gonna question it. Just gonna go with it. This is a nice little cozy place. Nice and cool. Nice and cozy. Can I even place a fire anywhere? Yeah, right there, right in front of my face. Okay, since I'm broadcasting on Twitch, I gotta tell my friend Boxer here, I just left the house. I've got everything from it, and I have no idea where I am. Confusion. How many hours of daylight? I got 5 hours of daylight. I thought I would start at the lodge, but I guess not. Or the office, not the lodge. Shh, there's a bunny. I want the bunny. Come here, bunny. Shit, the fucker's making a run for it. Yeah. This is completely new. That stick. I'll take that, thank you. Ooh. Another stick. Yeah, I want to get somewhere where at least I'm sheltered from the wind. Hold on. The wind's blowing that way. I'm gonna stop right here for a second. I can put it over there in the house if I could. Oh. Oh heck, I might just stay here for the night if I can find my way back up. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here for the night. Sorry, I'm just looking around for some clues, see if I can find a way to get in that safe. Wait a minute, wasn't there a... Oh! Okay, so this is how you unlock safes, around 45. Military grade MRE, alright. And that's it, really? I don't understand this place. I'm just gonna sleep for 10 hours. Granted, I'm probably gonna die. Less than 1 hour of darkness left. Okay, let's see how long I can die. Some of this. Open this. That'll do. And out into the wilderness. I have never come across this place before. So knowing where I am is completely beyond me. That's quite lovely, am I right? Yeah. And there's nothing over here. Hallelujah. And a Twitch. Hello, Death. No. So confused on where I am. Oh, I actually did a little digging into this game. Turns out this thing's still on a Kickstarter project, and there are like 7,000 people who are backing this game up, apparently. Or at least almost 7,000. This is a cool game. What is that I see? It's a dead corpse. Okay, there's a frozen dead body here. Kind of worrying. This. Pro feather, I'll take it. Wow, you had food and drink on you, bud. Cold. Oh, this ain't good. Okay, to Ryan, no. To Chait, no. Find something. Okay, to be honest, I am gonna die, but that's because I have no idea where I am. Nothing is familiar. Hmm. Can there be anything out here to kill me? I want to restart. Deadfall area. Oh, that's refreshing. I need some accelerant. Gonna cook some of this stuff. Yeah, I ain't gonna try to kill myself. I'm actually gonna try to survive this. There's nothing
My
here.
fingers feel numb.
You're next to a stove. I ain't gonna try doing that again. To cheat? Yes. Or to my friend death, not cheat. Didn't I just cook this? Oh, who gives a shit? Okay, so those do bring the stuff down. Or the water down. I'm not gonna use these things right here. Dang, can the cold ever go down? I'm sorry, this is quite boring. Is it even going down? Okay, this is gonna take too long. I'm just gonna cook some water real quick. Actually, one bit at a time.
Looks like I made it through another night.
Don't jinx yourself, man. Last time he said that, you died. Wow. Smelting just 0.5 liters, this takes a long time. That'd do anything. Yes, potable. Well, I found a way to give me some fresh water at least. By the way, what's the time? 43 minutes. I'll do one more of these and then I'm going to put another log on. Actually, we can keep doing this a little bit more. Now let's add some firewood. Or cedarwood. Doing quite good actually. Let's see. Let's just drink some soda. Bring some soda. And some jerky. Should've probably did it the opposite way around, oh well. However, when this fire goes out, I gotta start moving. Hours of daylight left. This would suck if a wolf just snuck up on me and killed me. Okay. I'm gonna keep doing it until the fire dies. After that, I'm out. Okay, now I know not to put it in such a large number. Probably creep or make one more and then it's over. Yep, one more. That means, are we good? Yeah, we are good. Let's drink some water real quick. 6K. Okay. Yeah, that was good. Okay, which way did I come from? Okay, we're gonna go this way. Onward! For our certain doom. Where did I come from this direction? How about we avoid this way? For that reason? This is the first time I've ever encountered a wolf. Do I not have anything to defend myself with? I need these. It's a branch, yep. Okay, the wolf is going in the other direction. Oh, come on. Please tell me you're not... Ooh, that cold is going up quick. Requires hatchet to break down. Shit. Give me the stick. Give me the stick. I need to start collecting some sticks here, y'all. Well, there's a nice little place down there. Oh, the cold quick, and I do not like that. Oh, speaking of a hatchet, thank you. Ooh, and pills. Pills here. Which way? Which way? This way. I'm not gonna be able to climb this, am I? I'm so confused. This is an all new area. Yeah, I can't climb up any further, so... This is gonna kill me. I just know it is. Shit, my fatigue is going down, or going up. Gotta find a spot and rest. No, you're tired. There's nowhere to rest.
Lay down.
Oh, little outhouse. Thank God. Oh, shit.
I'm so cold, I'm warming up again.
Alright, Mr. Bastard. Can I go in here? And apparently wolves can be in like cabins and stuff. Or so the thing said. Oh, that scared me a bit. That one corpse actually scared me. Jerky! Everyone up here has jerky always. There's nothing else, is there? Shit, I'm dying of I'm dying of fucking shit, I have nothing. Stay warm for 20. How? Where's the fucking fire? I ain't going outside. Eat jerky. Jerky will keep you warm. Oh, this is where I died. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, I'm surprised. About 2 hours of daylight left. Wait a minute. I'm so confused. How do you activate like combat mode or some shit like that? So confused. I want to kill me a wolf. Oh, that is if it's still out here. Oh. Oh, back in. I heard that stuff coming. Stay warm for 24 hours. Kind of difficult here. Oh, I actually missed this. And it didn't frickin' matter. Break it down. Okay, what the hell's wrong? I'm fatigued.
Not gonna pull through this time.
There's 1 hour of darkness left. I am hungry and thirsty. Drink some water. Eat some food. Damn, I'm a hungry bitch. Good, now wake up. I just broke my record. Now where's the exit? I really want to survive for at least 2 days, and then I'll be happy. Mm-hmm. Is it still out here? Or is it gone? I don't know, but yeah, I'm not gonna last long out here. There was a corpse over here, but not anymore. Boxer, I'm not answering your message. That will stop the recording. Ooh, is that the train part? Okay, the frame rate just dropped. And I hope that's a deer. Okay, it is. What is this place? Lumber mill? I don't know, but the frame rate's just dropped. Clear cut. Okay. Something over here. Is that a wolf? Why do I need painkillers? Painkillers ain't gonna do shit, probably. Actually, fuck it, let's just try it. Yep, can't use it. Okay, I gotta find a spot that's protected by the wind, or, yeah. Right here. It's good. Nope, nope. Okay, let's make a fire. Ah. Got sticks. Come on. Please start. I need one. Ding! Thank you. Have a stick. Have another stick. Have firewood. Let's actually eat some of this.
Looks like I survived another night.
Stop saying that. You almost didn't. Oh, this is lovely. I might die. Oh, wait a minute. Bedroll. How long does this thing? How long will this thing last? 1 hour. I'm gonna sleep for an hour. Unknown. 12 hours. Oh, cool. We got through that blizzard, I think. At least that's why I think it is a blizzard. That apparently didn't do shit. Cold's going down. Fatigue is still going up. By the time I wake up, my fire should be out. Or 15 minutes still up. Fatigue did not go down worse shit. 11 hours of daylight. Oh, that deer scared me. Fucking deers. Condition 39%. Go fuck yourself. Gotta be something down here. Can I drink some water to make that go down? Vision good quality, yada yada yada. Water that is safe to drink. No shit. Nope, that does not work. Look at that feeling of being followed. But for one day, 18 hours. I have a hatch. This should be wood, isn't it? Can I cut it? Ah, shit. Easy, boy. Easy. Easy, boy. We can talk about this. We can talk about this. Fuck it. Get back here. I'm gonna kill you. I was just joking. Bitch, I'm killing you! Kill him, 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 kill him. Damn it! I killed a bastard. It's over. It's over. I'm dead. Game over. I shall die here. He faded into the long dark. And there was another wolf coming, so I was screwed either way. Survived for 1 day, 18 hours, and 42 minutes. Well, for YouTube, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more of this unfair crap. And if you're on Twitch, follow me and you can see more of this unfair crap. And I really want to know how to unlock this place. I really want to go there.